Boost your grammar skills. Can you score 10 by 10? Total questions. 10. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Choose the correct option. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's blank to the park instead of driving. Let's walk to the park instead of driving. It blank important to get enough sleep. It is important to get enough sleep. Identify the comparative adjective in the sentence. This book is better than the previous one. Don't blank all your money at once. Don't spend all your money at once. Identify the contraction in the sentence. They're going to the party. Identify the superlative in the sentence. She is the most talented singer in the choir. People often resist blank, even if it's for the better. People often resist change even if it's for the better. Identify the auxiliary verb in the sentence. They are playing in the garden. Identify the conjunction in the sentence. He will go to the party if he has time. The artist will blank a masterpiece for the exhibition. The artist will create a masterpiece for the exhibition. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.